Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel SACE Guntur Official. My name is Ramarao Bandlamudi, Director of Sandhya Academy of Competitive Examinations. I have 23 years experience in teaching, guiding and mentoring the students. Last class I discussed about periodic system. Now I will explain about symmetrical components. Friends, to solve unsymmetrical faults, we will use symmetrical components. So the symmetrical components are three types: positive sequence components, negative sequence components, zero sequence components. This is the original system, means VR, Vy, Vb. This is the original system. So here I am taking VR as a reference axis. So VR is equal to VR0. What about Vy? Here I am using A. What about A value, friends? 1 at an angle of 120. So from here you observe Vy. It is around, this is 120, this is 120, overall this is 240. So Vy is equal to, what is the 1 into 240 means? That is called A square. 1 into 240 means A square. So what about Vy is equal to A square into VR. Again one more, Vb. So this is around 120 degrees. So what about Vb is equal to A into VR. So this is original system. Now what is a positive sequence? So all magnitudes are equal. They are separated by 120 degrees, but same as original system. Now, but it is indicated with a subscript 1, VR1. So what about VR1 is equal to, friends? So this is a reference. So VR1 an angle of 0. What about Vy1 is same as Vy. It rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So VR1 at an angle of 240. That I am writing A square into VR1. Again, what about Vb1? So it is around 120 degrees. I means VR1 120. So this is simply A VR1. So this is the positive sequence components. Means VR1 is equal to VR10. Vy1 is equal to A square into VR1. What about Vb1 is equal to A into VR1. Next, negative sequence. All magnitudes are same, but opposite to original system. So here what about VR2 is VR2 0. What about Vy2 is around 120 degrees. So VR2 120. So A VR2. Again what about Vb2 is equal to VR2 at an angle of 240. I means A square VR2. So this is negative sequence components. What about zero sequence components? There is no angle between them. So simply VR0, Vy0, Vb0. All magnitudes are equal. So simply VR0 is equal to Vy0 is equal to Vb0. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేవన్నీ బేసిక్స్ ఏనండి. మీకు డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా సేస్ లో జరిగే ఆన్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాచ్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. డీటెయిల్స్ మొత్తం డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఇస్తాను. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.